Alrighty folks, here we got a donkey Stomper 500V HG 1x4. This is actually built by another builder to start with, and I'm not going to call his name or nothing like that. Got the old label covered up because it's too hard to take off. But the customer had me take the amp plumb out and do away with it and put a whole new donkey Stomper amp in it. It's one driving forward. Pretty nice little rebuild. Gonna do a little video showing it's working. Stand by. Straight through the rest of the yard. Worldwide. Rest of the yard keyed up. Worldwide. Reflect. Output tune. 500 birds. Worldwide. Nothing. 500 watt slug. PP. Worldwide. Go back. Hammered here. 1,000 watt slug. Working another 1x4, working another 1x4, getting on down. Cheers, about 780. Working another 1x4, getting on down, go down. Worldwide, donkey Stomper, worldwide. As you can see, the voltage don't drop on the front when you're talking. Unkeyed. Worldwide, keyed. Worldwide. I think I'm pretty little tight budget now. I put me another PVP kit in there, and we done a little meter changing, but it's tight. Worldwide, getting on down. Cheeseburger. She's all ready to go, man. Should enjoy that. So I'll do a little video, show the customers working. Hope you all have a good one out there. Thanks for watching. Your friend 10-018 Catch you later.